Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, where food's made easy. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make gum tam. Here, broken rice, fish sauce, chả trứng, meat pie, egg pie, bì, mỡ hành with chicken chicharron, tomatoes, cucumber, fried eggs, pork chop, and Chinese sausage. All right, let's get it going. Okay, so I have some rice that was soaked here. So I soaked it for about 30 minutes, and then I put my hands in it, and I crushed up each grain of rice. If you can see, each grain of rice is broken. When you soak it for 20 minutes, it's easier to do by hand. You just take it and you grab it and you just crunch it up like this, okay? That's how you get broken rice. Or you can buy broken rice already made from the store. I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own. And this is how you get broken rice. Look at that texture. Okay, we're gonna wash it. We're gonna wash it till it's clear, and we're gonna put it on the stove, okay? Guys, since the rice has been soaking in water for about 30 minutes already, and I've broken it by hand, the rice is already a little soft, so I'm gonna add less water than usual, okay? You add this much water, about that much. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook, okay? Okay, so here I got some Chinese sausage. I'm gonna show you how to present them, how to indent them, so when you fry it up, it looks nice, okay? Just make slices like this, yo. Just make slices like this. Little incisions in the sausage on the bias. So later when you fry it up, it expands and it looks nice. Okay? Just like that. Just like that. Boom. Okay? That. Okay, now we're gonna go fry them up, guys. They're expanding already. As you can see here, the rice is now cooked. So I turn off the heat. We're just gonna let it. I'm just gonna cover it so it continues cooking a little bit more, and then it'll be ready to serve. Okay, guys. See how you cut those lines into those sausages? They look nice, right? The design looks nice on them. Here, look at this one. Look at that. Ooh, juicy. Guys, here's the final product. Oh my lord. It's juicy.